And they said like it might get lumpy. But did they mean this lumpy? You guys, I'm so scared because everybody in my house drops money for this pancake. And yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Oni and this is Vlogmas day 2. I have a meeting now which I want to kind of get prepped for. I'm also waiting for my delivery. I'm hoping that it comes this morning, but I'm thinking maybe I'll show you guys, like I'll record as the meeting is going on. What it actually is an update on my probation period at the place that I work. So like you're on probation for like 3 months and then they'll evaluate and whatnot. So that's what this is. I'm just going to answer a few questions on what my experience has been like and if I've just enjoyed my stay at the company. I'm trying to be as diplomatic as possible, but still get my points across. So I'm going to see how it goes. You're going to see how it goes. We're all going to see how it goes.
I'm very much aware of how much value you've brought to the team and the fantastic work that you've been doing.
Hi everyone, so it is currently almost 2 p.m. and I haven't eaten all day. So I want to make some pancakes and pancake and eggs because I have some of the ingredients here, so it's going to be quick. Yeah, so this will have been quicker, but I live with my family, so you cannot just feed yourself. You have to feed the entire world when you're feeding yourself. First time making American style pancakes. I only know how to make the Nigerian version, which is where you put like pepper and you put onions and like it's a whole thing and it's flatter. It doesn't look like the American style pancake, which I thought was normal. I thought it was a Nigerian thing. That's why I always say Nigerian pancake. But I was having a conversation with a friend and pancakes came up. It's like it never comes up. And we're talking about it and she didn't know what Nigerian pancakes were. And I can't tell you, I was actually shocked because it's one of those things where you think like every Nigerian can relate to it. If they grew up here, if they've lived their entire life here, then they can relate to Nigerian pancakes. But she didn't know what it was. And even the concept of like having pepper and onions in your pancakes, apparently you weeded that out. I cannot explain it because I don't understand it and it doesn't make sense to me because that is it's normal to me. It's my entire childhood. Then I only started eating like these American style pancakes when I started going to restaurants and like being able to buy food outside of my home or whatever. Anyways, I've watched a few tutorials on TikTok and she's also sent me a recipe. Shout out to Ladi. But she's also sent me a recipe, so I'm gonna try that. And if this thing comes out wrong, I mean, I've just wasted my flour, but I'll be so disappointed because I could have just made the Nigerian style pancakes. That would have been so freaking easy. But yeah, let's try something new, guys. I want to try new things. So this is the first of many trials. Oh, I'm in my Bridie Jake era. I love. If you don't know who Bridie Jake is and you are interested in lifestyle content, just people being authentically who they are, then you need to go watch Bridie out because like the girl is awesome. I think she just won TikTok Influencer of the Year for Australia and well deserved win. She and Jeannie are my favorite people.
So I'm at the stage of mixing and they said like it might get lumpy. But did they mean this lumpy? Did they mean this lumpy? I think I'm gonna add water. You guys, I'm so scared because everybody in my house drops money for this pancake.
But I used to want to be like this aesthetically, like I wanted to have content that was aesthetically pleasing, where everything was just, speak and come. But I realized that's not my reality. And it's just stressful making content outside of what your reality is. So yeah, this is my reality. And there are people who can relate to that. So just gonna wait for them to find the channel.
Quite honestly, I don't know what's going on with this pancake. I don't feel like it's coming out as I would have hoped that it comes out. But I'm just going to trust the process and bring out the first batch and see. The girl says wait for bubbles to start showing and then you know that it's ready to flip. Okay? I'm seeing a bit of bubbles on the first one, but I think the density is too thick. And so like it's not, I think maybe I need to add more water or more eggs, I don't know.